Hi all, welcome back. So today is 27th October 2022, and today I have not taken any trade in the Nifty and Bank Nifty options. So uh, so that's the reason this video is to explain the situation where uh, how we have to decide whether to take the trade or not, and so that it will be helpful for you also. So okay, there is a small trade I have taken in the JSW Steel. It's an intraday trade, and I exited from the position with the small loss. I will try to explain that trade also, why I closed my position with a small loss also. So let's go to the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts first, and let's discuss why I have not taken trade today. Okay, so I'm going to the charts directly. So this is the Bank Nifty chart. So let me explain you the Bank Nifty chart first. So if you watch my last video, which I have posted on 25th October, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis video, I was clearly mentioning that don't be on the selling side. Try to look for the buying opportunity only, because Bank Nifty is trading very closer to its all-time high. So that's the reason I was mentioning in the last video also. So even if you see the selling, even if you see the downward moment in the Bank Nifty, so don't take any position, because at any point of time they may trigger the buy call, and they may reach or they may break that all-time high immediately. So that's the reason. What happened today, this is the today's price action, that is on 27th October. So if you see, initially they have given some sort of support here, okay, but they did not go above the previous day high. This is the previous day, that is 25th October. So they did not go beyond the 25th October high, and not even they did not tested it also. So that's where I was waiting. I was waiting to take my position if Bank Nifty goes above the previous day high, that is 25th October. So I was waiting for the opportunity. I haven't taken any buy option here, though we are seeing some sort of support and moving towards the upside direction. What I was expecting, when Bank Nifty is falling down from there, I was seeing some sort of rejections, right? So if you watch my previous videos, more than last week or more than 2 weeks videos, I was mentioning clearly that the price action will not repeat the same thing in the same consecutive days. I mean, though 2 days will not have the same price action. So I brought it that point here. So what I was expecting, since yesterday or the last trading session, what we have seen, it got rejected at this level, and it got rejected at this level. Once after getting the rejection, it fell sharply and it closed below the day low at that point of time. So what I was expecting, since Bank Nifty fell that level again, it fell below that level and it is trading below that point. So I was expecting a reverse movement of that. So what, it got rejected, it got rejected, it got rejected. And once it started falling, I thought definitely at some point of time they will trigger the buy signal, and they will trigger the buy orders, and they will move towards the upside direction. So that has happened actually. If you see from 240, 245, or around the last few minutes, last half an hour, last 45 minutes duration, they started that move. They made that opposite move. So that point is still, I mean, the whatever point which we were discussing from the last videos, it is happening. But unfortunately, the reason which I haven't taken any trade at this point is, uh, it is almost end of the day, closing towards the, I mean, trading towards the end of the day. So what happens, buy the option buyers, because we are taking an option buy, right? So option buying will have some sort of risk attached to it compared to option selling. So but taking the buy option at the last minute will have some sort of risk, and it may not be helpful. What we see, let me go to this chart also. Let me explain you. Bank Nifty 41,500 call option. So if I am looking for the buy option, definitely I will take a call option, right? So let me go to the chart and I will show you what is happening there. So I will go to the 5-minute time frame. So see here, the buying has happened in the last moment in the options also. But what is if you compare both the price action, this is the actual bank nifty price action where it's when it started moving towards the upside direction, it reached to the level where it got rejected during the day. But if you see the actual options chart here, so this is the level. I will draw the level so that you can understand it clearly. So this is the level it got rejected during the day. So it did not reach that point. Okay, so it did not reach that point. And this is also very good move. Actually, I did not thought that it will come up to this point also, because we are almost going towards the end of the day. So I did not expected that even this move will also will come, and it will come closer to this level. So I'm not interested to take the buy option or call, I mean, taking the option buying at the end of the day. So that's the reason I haven't taken any buy option or buy position during the day. And the move which I expected, mainly the move which I expected, which is opposite to the yesterday, I mean the previous day price action, is happened very late during the day. If it has happened at around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, I would have been very confident to take in the trade, and I would have been expecting my target to hit this level. Even in the option chart also, I would have expected my target to be somewhere here, by taking the buy option somewhere here and selling it towards this level, because that is the way it got rejected during the day. So since it has happened during last minutes of the day, so I'm not interested. So I left that move. But the point which I want to highlight here is uh, the price action which has happened in the previous day, they made it in the opposite direction. So this is a point which you which happens very frequently. So you can have a note of it also. Even if you watch my previous videos, I have shown you multiple examples. So whatever has happened previous day, they will not repeat it same thing. So they will make you feel that it is doing the same thing as the previous day, but immediately they will reverse it. That is what it has happened. But only thing is that they did that move very late in the day. So that's the reason I'm not interested to take my buy option here. And even if you see the nifty also, it is also in the same pattern. So even here also, I was not interested to take any selling or buying the put option or selling the futures. So I was looking for the buy opportunity. And here also, when the bank nifty fell below this level, if you see, the same thing is has happened here also. So previous session, what we are seeing, when the nifty fell this level, I hope if you watch my previous video, like nifty and bank nifty analysis video, you will understand why I plotted this level. So you can refer to that video. So yesterday, I mean the last trading session, it fell below this level, and they tried to break that. And then when they fail to break it, they closed almost below the day low during that time. So same pattern, they fell below that level, they tried to break it, and then they started going down. And immediately they started moving up suddenly, and that too, it is a very sharp move towards the upside direction. So here also, this is what I was expecting. This move I was expecting somewhere around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, at least at least if it has started at 2:30 also, there would be some sort of uh, chance for me to take the position. But it is also very late. It started 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock, I feel that that is a very a peak time for taking the position. So from 3 to 3:15 or 3:30, it will be very sharp movements will be happening during that time. And taking the position, mainly intraday position, after 3 p.m. or at 3 p.m., it will be very risky. So that's the reason the move which I was expecting has happened in the nifty, and it is also almost happened in the bank nifty also. But they the move is almost during the end of the day. So that's the reason I have not taken any trade today. So the only thing that I want to highlight in this video is the price action. You watch closely the price action, what has happened previous day. So expect that it will be opposite to that. So that is what I want to highlight in this video. I hope you will be also monitoring the same thing. And if you observe it, if going forward, if you see anything like that, please comment in the video so that everybody will be having some sort of conference also, right? Even if you watch my previous videos, I've clearly shown you some examples also. So this is what the point I want to highlight in this video. And as I mentioned you that I have taken a small trade, actually, I'll go to my position once. So I have taken one small trade. Actually, this trade actual target was around 3000 or 4000, 4500, something like that, but I closed my position with a small profit. So I will explain you that also, so that it will be helpful for you. So for that I will go to JSW Steel chart. Okay, so this is the JSW Steel 5-minute time frame chart. So the position where I have taken is this point. I will zoom here so that you can understand. So this is the 5-minute time frame, and my position I have taken the buy option at this point. So what has happened here, from starting of the day, during almost for first 1 hour, it the buyers have moved towards the upside direction very sharply, and then after that there was some relaxation, and there was some selling has happened, and some prices fell down. But if you see, again they started moving up and they settled here. So during this time what happens, there will be some traders or who feel that this is a place where JSW Steel should go up towards the day high. During the at this point the day high is this one, so it should go towards up. Since it is struggling to go up and it has spent more time, they feel that it will come down again. So that is the place where they will trap most of the sellers. You see, after spending much time here, they went down here, and this is the place where many traders, maybe mostly new traders or some experienced traders also, will have a position here, because they will feel that it will come down because it spent enough time and they failed to go up, and this is the place where it will start going down towards this level. And if you watch it clearly, even though they fell down, they did not break this support here. This is the support where they have taken it, and from there only they spent much more time here. But even after giving the sell signal, they did not go below this level. If they have closed it below, it would have been some confidence, and it would have been very strong point for the sellers, but they did not go below. So what has happened immediately after we have seen this candle, right? So that is the where I have taken a buy option there, and my expectation was it will reach the day high. If I thought my target was this only, day high. But unfortunately what happened here is, after I entering the position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half an hour duration they spent above this level, and even after spending that much time they did not go to that point. So I closed my position immediately. This is the main reason I'm seeing spikes above the candles, body of the candles. That is a bad sign for the buyers. So if you are on the buying side and if you are seeing the spikes, larger spikes above the body of the candle, that is a very bad sign, because that indicates a selling pressure. So that's where I close my position after 5 to 10 minutes. So this is what the important point I want to highlight. Even though it is very small trade, but the concept here is very important, so that it will be very much helpful for the intraday players. So if you have taken any position and going forward, the next candles, if they are behaving in the against you, because we are on the buying side, and the price action is showing that there is a heavy selling pressure and there are huge spikes above the body of the candle, that shows the selling pressure. So immediately come out of the trade. Don't expect anything. Even though I kept my stop loss here. Actually, initially when I'm entering my position, I kept my stop loss here. But after seeing this price action, I don't want to wait until I don't want to expect that also. Even if it comes down, it will go up. I don't want to expect that. And after I'm closing the position, it fell down and it killed everybody. I mean, all the buyers who have taken their positions here, they killed everybody, and again they started going up. So this is where I missed the trade again here, but okay, not a problem. But the point which I want to highlight in this position or in this trade is, if mainly if you're in the intraday game, and if you see that price is not moving towards your position, and if it is showing some sort of against signal, mean the opposite signals, just immediately close your positions. You can cover your losses. Even if you have taken any small loss also, you can cover it in the next trade. But don't expect or don't be overconfident that it will be moving towards your direction. So this move I did not expected that it will happen immediately, but okay, it happened. I can ignore it, but that's not a problem. So losing the money is very, I mean, we should not lose the money by waiting for the long time and expecting that it will come in our direction. So I hope this explanation about both the nifty, bank nifty, and this JSW position explanation will be very much helpful for you also. And I hope it will be you will also follow the same kind of analyzing, or you will also follow the same kind of thinking during the trade, I hope. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.